Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the function return multiple value using pointer, and that is a fifth type user defined. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen, and here fix the position so you can watch better by my video lecture. And here Turbo C++ is there, and I double click and take some process. So yes, now is open and I close first message and now new Alt F file menu taking new file. And here our goal in C language we have to define. And here uh, that is a UTF and that is a fifth type. Yes, so you can surprise because there is only four type of UDF like function with argument, no return value, function with argument, no function with no argument, no return value, function with argument but return value, function with no argument but return value, and function with argument and with return value. So there is four type UDF, but here some book giving the function yes fifth type and function return multiple yes yes so multiple yes here multiple values. So because that is a rules, every function return only one value. Function return multiple value using pointer. Yes, that is a some book give the fifth type, or you can also in cover in the four type is already there. Here we can return multiple value because that rules is a function return only one value. So we can say that that is a fifth type function return multiple value using pointer. So how it's possible? Because every function return only one value. So yes, and there are two category of main function is inbuilt function and user defined function. And user defined function there are five type. Function no argument no return value, function with argument no return value, function with argument and with return value, and function no argument but return value. And here function return multiple values using pointer. So yes, now let us start. So we can take stdio.h and then here I remove this blank. Yes, now and that is standard input our header file. Yes, and then conio.h console input output and then yes, here bracket. So yes, now ready. And here void main, I first declare one dimensional array because that is a multiple value you have to pass. So like integer I and then x of phi element. Okay, and then you can scan from user with index. Okay, so first give the suitable message. So enter 1D array elements. Yes, now is perfect and slash n and taking one for loop. You have to know 1D array taking one for loop and 2D array two for loop, and multi means three or multi-dimensional array three for loop. Nest two is a nested and one is main outer loop. So here we can scan with index. So how yes percentage d and then I yes and scanf function. So here percentage d and then ampersand x of I. Yes, that our ready and to my scan. With scan is perfectly with index, and now you can perfectly then print that element, and that type also we can use the index. Okay. So here we can first save this file. So yes, 1D array and UDF fifth type, but 1D array function. Okay, pass to no return to 1D array. Yes. So here yes, first I yes perfectly this. So here press is not required because only one statement. We cannot scan a function, only printf. Yes, by comma and here percentage d and one blank. Yes, let us and also remove this brace. So now ready, let us check. Yes, no any error. And here not a 3, yes, 5 is there because our element is a 5. Yes, now in here also copy, so 5. Yes, now is okay. And let us run 1 2 3 4 phi. Yes, that horizontal print. So we can also print in vertical. So here just only give the slash n and here remove because that two time otherwise. So now yes, ready? Let us check. So that print is perfect. And now we can define our fifth function return multiple value using pointer. So function summation of element using. So here already four type is covered. Return value, no argument. Here no argument. But every function return only one value. We can multiple value using pointer. That is new concept. So here asterisk sign. Your function return pointer. That type of. And here what to do. So here I first definition asterisk fun sum and scanning here and print to main, that is a new for you I think. So let us I cut this part, so cut and paste to here. Yes, so yes, here if you have to not declare global, yes, local and global variable. So here I define the xo file. Let us first take the garbage value is print. How? Let us check first. And first I take error and give solution what to do. So here only I is required, and here I take one sum variable and initialize to 0. And also we can print the sum. Yes, so sum equal to sum, or we can say that asterisk p. Yes, where is there? I just show you. So here we can call our function p equal to sum. Yes, and p is a pointer type because that is a return pointer. So you have to know very well declare asterisk sign is required and p is a pointer type of integer. So if you not understand what is a pointer, pointer is a variable which can store the other variable address that known as a point to something point, and that is the address of other variable. So if you not watch my previous video lecture in YouTube, pointer in C language, so you can watch. So then and then you can understand. So here we can pass the return the address. Yes. So here return type is a not normal type, but x array name itself is a address. First array name is a first byte 0 or 0, and here we can option if you like I or and ampersand x of 0, that are both same address. Here also you can write ampersand x of I to x, or I use or word. So x or x of 0 ampersand give the first 0 byte address. So we can use simple x, that is a array name itself taking the first byte of address. Okay, so that taking the pointer, and pointer here summation sum plus asterisk sign refer the value, and then here is a p of I. Yes, here we can give the pointer. Array and pointer is a closed concept. Array is work in internal memory is pointer, and pointer work in the internal memory array. So array without pointer and pointer without array is a closed, not complete concept. So yes, what? Okay, so here, yes, sum is our variable function. Yes, function summation. That name sum is our variable name. So that is a now is okay. But here print is a garbage value. Yes, look at sum. Let us check. So here garbage value. Yes. So what is a solution? First I can give the error and then I give solution. And also we can print the sum. Yes, that print perfectly or any error is there. Let us check that. So here the summation is and percentage d and print our sum. Yes, sum we have to check that taking perfectly. Let us check. So yes, so one is directly. So that is also let take garb or let us check first. So yes, sum we can initialize the 0 and then perfectly. Yes, I compile again and run. So I give small value. So yes, that wrong because that taking garbage value. So here what is a solution of this every print garbage value. So here we can take global declaration. Yes, so I remove this declaration here local because that you have to know here function scope is a complete, so that value written by the garbage of that array. Address is perfect taking by pointer, but here we can declare, and here x of I, yes, and then I. So we can, what is global? So here I cannot require two times. So both our member declare use the I variable. Okay, and now yes, semicolon is remaining. So yes, here is a our section. You have to know here is a definition section. There are here first section of documentation, then link and definition and global declaration. Yes, that is a global variable. So that sharing every year main is used also I, and here also I use, so both I use. And now let us check. So yes, we can print the sum also and print the element also. Okay, and yes, here we can take the, let us check first any error or any error. Okay, so perfectly now. And last element, okay, so here what to do in last element, that so here we can what to do, here we can p plus plus. So that is a scalar value of that is a 2 byte jump because that is integer pointer. So then and then that value sum. So here you can use like x of I, then is there is no problem. So that directly, let us check both technique. First I give this technique, and here we can also combine comma operator and p plus plus. So p is a 2 byte jump, two address jumping first to next element of x. Okay, and let us check. Yes, okay, so that 56. Okay, and now let us check again. I compile and run. So give small value. So you can, yes, last two is not perfectly print. Yes, and other summation is perfectly 15. Yes. So yes, what is a solution of this? So here we can 2 times p plus plus. So here better we can use the p of I. Yes, so that is a, now let us check perfectly print or any error is there. Yes, so all are perfect. So yes, that is a solution of, we can return multiple value using pointer. So p is a pointer and we can take the address of x, and now array is also 1D array. Here look, here we can print like array, p is a pointer, but here we can 1D array use that same, and multiple value return. So here just pass x, and x is a first 0 byte element, first element address, and taking the p is a pointer and taking the address of other variable. And now we can I plus plus. So that is a I0, then first element is sum, then second, and also we can print also index wise. Yes, here pointer work like a array. Yes, so array is a pointer and pointer is array. So now I complete here. So now we can give any value. First simplicity I give sequence value. So now 24 that we can print. Yes, any garbage value. Yes, 6, 9, 3, 5, and 1. All we can scan in UDF. Here, look here. What is a logic? So here we can scan here in UDF. Okay, and pass to whole x. X means address of that array, first byte, and taking one by one all address. So indirectly print all elements, directly not indirectly. So because p is a pointer, and p of I means plus plus. Here we can also, like here I give like a asterisk p is p plus plus, and here just remove an asterisk so we can see the previous our technique. Okay, but here you can also asterisk, so then and then that perfectly print. Okay, so yes, let us check these techniques work or not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that perfectly work. So there are two techniques. Asterisk p is a pointer value. Yes, asterisk sign is, and here we can p plus plus. So both are same. X of I is also expand in internal memory. What is a full form? Here asterisk and p and plus I. That is a full form of x of I or x of p. Yes. So I give the 9 technique. We can help of pointer. We have to print 1D array. In my upcoming video lecture, I cover the pointer and array. Okay. So that time I elaborate. Okay. Now, yes, write this program function return multiple value using pointer. That is a new concept for you, I think, and very important. And here we can use the global declaration part. Yes, here I open this part. So I is used in both. Here I also use, and here I. and x of I we can use in UDF, but we can p of I pointer we can also print. So yes, now close this my session. Function return multiple values using pointer. Yes, very important concept for you developing the logic in C language. So yes, write this program to your note and we can print element and also sum, and here pass only x. So here is scanning and in main is a printing, yes, and sum also element. Now all you have to done reverse of that, all logic you have to define to here. So yes, I close this file and quit. Just subscribe my channel Ashok Sijalakandi, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.